the March Agora Mystery Skincare Box. Stay tuned and we'll have a little look to see what's in here. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing very well today. Today's video I have this. So this is the March Agora box. This is the mystery skincare box. So yeah, let's get this open. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. When I get to 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I'm going to link a video here. In that video, it's going to show you what the prizes are. The main prize is the Glossy Box 2021 Advent Calendar, which is freaking amazing. So yeah, get subscribed. Here's a little look inside for you. With the Agora box, you're supposed to get 4 products in your box, although in the past I have received, in some boxes, not all, 3 products, which I think is a mistake on their part. But yeah, this is £12.99. It's not a monthly box, but they do come out with a box every month, so you have to physically go on their app to purchase it if you wish to do so. I will leave a link in the information box and the comment box if you want to have a look at any of their edits that they do. But yeah, let's have a dig through to see exactly what we've got in here. Right, so as per usual, we have the thank you card that's come in the box. Obviously just thank them for a purchase. The first product that we have is this. So that looks very interesting indeed. We've got a Nana. So this is by the brand Tony Moly, and it's a banana sleeping pack. Magic Food Banana. Okay, banana sleeping pack that focuses on rich moisturization and nutrition supply. So what is a banana sleeping pack? Let's open it up. So this is what it looks like out the box, and what I am liking, it has an expiry date on there, which is fantastic. I don't want to break it. Do you take that off? Okay, twist, don't pull. Okay, so we have this. So I'm presuming it's just like a night moisturizer or a night mask, something like that. So this is quite nice and thick. It actually does smell like banana. You can tell it smells of a synthetic banana, but it's lovely and sweet banana scent, which is really nice. And my skin feels lovely after putting that on. So yeah, I'm going to take that as a night moisturiser, I think. That's what I'm going to use it as. Product number 2 we have is this, a nice big product. So this is by the brand Grace and Stella. And it's green tea facial sheet masks. And there are 6 masks in here. Wow. So yeah, it basically just says remove the mask from the bag, apply it to your face, leave it for 20 to 30 minutes, and that's about it. Take it off after that, obviously. I love a good mask. I'm actually there's 6 in here. That's really good. I think I'm definitely going to be doing this on my Friday face mask series. Not straight away, but it'll work its way in somewhere. But yeah, that's actually really cool. The third product we have is this, guys. It smells gorgeous. It smells so good. This is by the brand Miss Patisserie, and it's Salted Caramel Bath Slab. So I keep going on and on about it, but hopefully soon, when we get all the legal side sorted with the solicitors, fingers crossed, I'm going to be moving soon. And in my new house, I'm going to have a bath, and I'm so excited. I'm going to use and abuse that bath so bad. I have lived in this current house for 2.5 years now. It does not have a bath, it only has a shower. So yeah, I'm waiting with anticipation to move. And yeah, this looks so interesting. So yeah, it's a slab. It looks like a slab of chocolate. And yeah, it's all multicoloured with glitter on and stuff. God, it smells so good. Product number 4, we have this. So this is by Beauty Pro. Beauty Pro, love them. They do amazing, amazing skincare. So really happy to have something by them. And this is a rose infused sheet mask. So again, we have another mask product in this box. Just like the makeup box, we had 2 products the same. They were eyeliners, 2 lots of eyeliners. And then this one, we've got 2 lots of face masks. I don't get it. Why? I'm really happy to have that one there. You get a pack of 6, amazing. Really happy to have this. It's by Beauty Pro, amazing. But why put them together in the same box? That's 2 products that are the same, sheet masks. But yeah, you take this out, slap it on your face for 15 minutes and take it off. Quite easy to use. Right guys, so this is the Agora March Mystery Skincare Edit. What do you think? Personally, this box is probably one of the better boxes that I've had in a few months from Agora, I must say. They've been questionable over the last few months. So I'm really, really happy to have my Nana in the box. I love the novelty factor of that. It's brilliant. I'm loving the fact I got a pack of 6 sheet masks. That's freaking awesome. I have a bath slab or a bath bomb. I can just hoy it in my bath when I get one. Awesome again. But we have another face mask. Why? It's Beauty Pro, so I'm really glad to get a face mask from that brand because they do amazing skincare. But why put 2 lots of face masks in a box? That's kind of spoils it a little bit. With this one, I do feel like I've got my money's worth this month, so I suppose that's a plus. Yeah, I don't know. But what do you guys think? Make sure to comment down below in the information box. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.